morning! Good morning everyone.
Diba? What a wow morning. Hello, good morning.
Yes, grabe, for the record, ito na yung pinakamaaga naming pagbati sa mga supporters at 3 a.m.
Good
Hello, morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Diba? Wow morning na wow morning. Ano ka excited ba kayo na nandito kayo at 3 a.m.?
Yes, una, very excited of course kasi first Chowking event to na that involves running. So it's very amazing, kakaiba, and in time for celebration of Chowking sa 40 years. Kaya maraming salamat sa lahat na nandito. And of course, excited ako dito sa mga katakbuhan ko sa 10K run.
How about you pa? Ikaw, may mensahe ka ba sa mga kasamang mo mamayang tumakbo? Ayan, marami ba tayo nasa 10K run ngayon? Wow, madami. So, kayo mga kasabayan namin, tulong-tulong na lang tayo sa daan.
Wow morning to each other.
Pag nakikita nyo mabagal ako, tulak nyo na lang ako konti. Mga pasimpleng tulak.
Oh guys you have permission pwede yung itulak mamaya si Paolo dito.
Parang iba ata. Anong preparation, if any, aside from waking up?
Waking up this early. Galing kami ng Cebu actually, nag-taping ng our newest teleserye, The Alibi. Yes, and now, of course, preparation. Every Sunday kasi nag-run kami na, wow kami. Every Sunday, so parang nakakatuwa lang na yung gusto namin ginagawa is also part ng Chowking ngayon.
And diba exciting kasi nag-run na kayo every Sunday, tapos ngayon ka-run niyo ba ang family?
Yes! Ciao fam!
May nabasa ako sa X na yung iba daw dito mga first-time runners.
Welcome to the running community. So, speaking of the family here in our Chow Fun Run 2025, as you can see, medyo iba-iba tayo ng suot na t-shirts as of the moment. So, may I know what shirt you chose and why you chose that?
Ang shirt ko is halo-halo, of course. Super sangkap, halo-halo.
Si Paolo nang kaya lang.
Halo. Marami rin ba? Marami rin.
Good morning.
Hindi.
Okay. So with that, I think we can check natin. Kanya-kanya, unlike Paolo, sila namili talaga.
Yes.
Ano gusto nila.
Si Kim
check
namili
natin.
nung-
Ako kasi pumili.
Yes.
Sabi ko, eto tayo, halo-halo.
High five. Alam niya na.
Okay, so at this point we're gonna have a special cheer rally.
Yes, alamin natin kung anong mga team at t-shirt ang pinagpipili nila. Oh, daming pili. Let's go, Mix.
Okay, so sina Kim and Pao will help us out in our cheer rally. We have a total of 4 shirts. May kanya-kanyang representations yan. We have Siopaw, we have Laureate, we have Chow Fan, and we have Halo. So isa-isahin natin yan Once Kim and Pao call Ori, I need you to make your loudest noise. Okay ba yun?
Okay, sino dito ang mga team Siopaw? Okay na.
Kaya kung sa back to
Oo. Parang katulad mo,
Ay,
inaantok pa yung
naman.
viewer niya.
Okay, ito na talaga, Pao. Isa pa.
Isingin natin, Pao.
Again, bigyan naman natin ng konting lakas yung rally natin. Sasabayan ko yun. Sino dito ang team Siopaw?
Sino naman dito? Chow Fan!
Madami ang team Chow Fan. Okay, sino naman dito ang team Laureate? Team Laureate! Parang napupunta ako sa team na
Alam niyo na yung Team Laureate.
Team Laureate.
Let's go! Eto ba? Sino team? Halo-halo! Ito, amazing.
guys would represent your categories very well, but now we'll have a groovy with Kim Pao on stage. So please, calling on our photographers once again. Photographers for our groovy. O, lapit na kayo. Pakita kayo sa picture natin.
Okay, now maybe call on Sir Ken Lingan also to join us. Once again, calling Sir Ken to join us for our groovy.
Sir Ken, hello, good morning. Well, morning. Sir Ken. One, step to the left. One step to the back. Everyone look to the camera.
'Kita tayo sa daan. Thank you.
Alright, see you later!
Everybody!
Thank you so much! Ayan!
Pero meron tayong next na celebrity on stage,
Ayan,
Sarah.
favorite celebrity ko. Wow! Alright, syempre, as excited as Kim Pao as we are, we want to make sure na safe tayo and warmed up. So, we are bringing someone special to the stage, the head coach and co-founder of Do What You